Good morning, friends. So today I am going to explain you integration by parts in a very easy way, in a way which I have studied from school. So integration by parts. Okay. So while you are integrating by parts, you always remember this formula, ILATE. This is not a formula, this is just a method to remember. This is inverse trigonometric functions. This is logarithmic functions. This is arithmetic functions like x square, like that. This is trigonometric functions. This is exponential functions. So your integration by parts is integral u dv is equal to uv minus integral v du, correct? So this is your formula. Okay. Now while you are choosing your u, you have to remember this ILATE in your mind, and your prioritization of u will go in this way. The first prioritization should go to inverse trigonometric, second is logarithmic, third is arithmetic, fourth is trigonometric, and fifth is exponential. So your your prioritization for u while choosing you should be very careful, because then only your integration will be very easy. Okay, so this is very important, ILATE. Now let me solve some some problems. Integral x e power x, very basic question. Okay, now yes, u ILATE. Here you have exponential and arithmetic. This is exponential, this is arithmetic. So your arithmetic will get your first prioritization for u, and your dv is e to the power x dx, correct? So the first step is you have to integrate v, dv to get your v, because you need v. Okay, so integral ex dx dv v equal to, that is e to the power x. So your v here is e to the power x and your u here is x. Now what I am going to do is uv. Okay, so while writing with the while solving your e power x exponential and arithmetic, you can use this method. First x, then you have to directly write y, not dv. U and v, correct? E to the power x. So u you have to keep on differentiating, and v you have to keep on integrating. If you differentiate x, 1, differentiate 0, integrate e to the power x, e to the power x, so on. Now no problem, because we are going to multiply this, correct? So plus, minus, plus. So my formula is e to the power x dx equal to u into v. So x e to the power x. So this is plus and this is minus. So minus 1 into e to the power x. Then again plus 0 into e to the power x. So if you differentiate 0 infinitely many times, you are going to get 0. So your integral will stop over here, correct? So x e to the power x minus ex plus c, because it is an infinite integral, is the answer for this question. Now let's go for some trigonometric functions. Second question, integral x cos x dx. Now ILATE. You have here trigonometric functions and arithmetic functions. So your u will get arithmetic function as a first prioritization. So uv, here I have x, and this is, you should not write cos x here because you need v, not dv. So that is the main thing you have to remember. So dv here is cos x dx. What is my v? If you integrate this, cos x sin x, correct? Sin x is my v. So I am going to write here sin x. So if you differentiate it, you will get 1. If you differentiate this, integrate this, you will get minus cos x. Then you will get 0, so you no need to bother about this. Now my formula, my answer goes like this: integral x cos x dx equal to x sin x. This is plus, this is minus, this is plus. So minus into minus cos x plus 0. So x sin x plus cos x plus c is the answer for this question. Now let's do some logarithmic functions. Third, integral x squared log x dx. Here isolate, you have a logarithmic function, arithmetic function. So logarithmic function will get the first prioritization. So u equal to log x. What is my v? dv equal to x squared dx, which is equal to, implies v equal to x cube by 3. Now my formula for u dv equal to uv minus integral v du. So what is my u? Log x. What is my v? X cube by 3 minus integral x cube by 3. What is my du? If you differentiate this, u dash equal to 1 by x. So into 1 by x. X will get cancelled. So log x to the power 3 by 3 minus integral x squared by 3, which will give me log x cube by 3 minus integrate, if you integrate x cube by 3 again. So x cube by 3 minus x cube by 9. If you take x cube common, or you can keep your answer like this. So this is the answer for this question. So these are all the different types of solving integration by parts. You have to remember isolate for choosing your u, correct? So this is very crucial while solving a integration by parts problem. In the next videos, we will solve more problems in integration by parts. Thank you for watching.